Hey everyone, I know a lot of people work from home, but we do our grocery shopping from home.
So let's go grocery shopping in our backyard.
Okay, our supermarket only has a produce section. What are we grabbing here?
Chilies.
Chilies? Oh, those are long, huh?
Yeah. And then some eggplant. Ooh, look at that. Purples. I'm going to make Thai curry. Chicken curry.
They look skinny.
Yeah, that's just a variety.
What type of eggplant is this?
I think it's Thai or Japanese eggplant.
Right, it's not the...
It's Japanese eggplant.
Not the traditional, the big ones, right?
Look at that. Look at the beautiful color.
That's good, purple. Yeah, it is a yard long. It's as long as you, your body at least.
Wow, look at that. There's more. Oh, I grew this. You can eat the leaf also. The leaf is very smooth and soft, unlike other beans. My goodness, look at this.
In fact, if I come along this side...
Look at this then. This is so long.
That is long.
You know, you have to help me hunt for them because they tend to, it's kind of hidden in the foliage. Look at this. Oh yeah, this is ready.
Okay, let's see your haul of the long beans. Already eating them?
It's good. I like them raw.
They're good, right?
You can make it, put in salad. Salad, stir fry, soup.
No tools needed.
No tools needed. Grocery shopping. Produce shopping, basically.
Yeah.
Farmer's market.
Blue light specials right here. Everything's on sale.
Everything's on sale.
But I will complain that the workers, they're not fair paid here.
They're not paid at all.
Exactly.
It's very tasty, very yellow inside. The skin is very hard, but it's quite tasty. So I'm going to harvest these and probably start cutting these so we can throw them in a comp. Kabocha squash is not that big, but it's time to harvest them.
Let's see. Oh, you got it.
I got another one there. Ooh, look at all the cobwebs. That's why I'm wearing long sleeve. I'm going to harvest this. This is kabocha squash. I love them. It's so good. Quite tasty. So 3 of them. We harvest 3 squash.
We have lots of apples.
Yeah. I want to cut this branch. So
In fact, look at this branch. It's almost down to the ground.
So we should harvest this so we can cut this.
Yeah, we got to cut this branch. We should wait till fall, right?
Yeah.
A few minutes of plucking apples and...
Now.
Oh my God, it's heavy.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Holy.
Look at this.
How much do you think it is?
This is probably 5 pounds.
Yeah. We're going to make
I would say.
kadu with ground beef.
Yep. This you can make probably 2 kadu dishes.
Yeah.
Right? It's a lot. Good job, honey. This is...
The bitter eggplant.
Right.
Very popular in Southeast Asian cuisine. I love them.
We just actually made some, right? When we cooked the pork and herbs, we steamed
them.
up. We steamed these.
Or you can eat them raw with a dipping sauce.
They are bitter.
With a hot dipping sauce. Or you can stir fry them like Indian style sabji with curry. I'm going to harvest some of these.
I'm going to show one close up.
Yeah.
Let's try one of the smaller ones on the bottom and see how they're doing.
This one?
Yeah, if those...
I think they're very...
I don't think those are quite
soft.
ready. Try it.
Yeah, they're soft.
I think if the bottom ones are ready...
That's good.
Should we harvest it? Let's cut this one.
Let's harvest it.
It just looks so nice.
So pretty.
It's like when you see a picture of
Look
grapes.
at that, my first grape.
That's, when you think of grapes,
Ooh.
like that's exactly what you think of.
Let me eat.
You're like a Roman, ancient Roman.
It's good.
All right. Okay, tomato harvest time.
Cherry tomatoes.
These are, you just pluck them when they're good and orange, right?
Yeah, and they're very sweet.
And soft, right?
I just love eating them.
Yep.
With basil and mozzarella.
You and the girls definitely love.
Me and Izzy.
And Izzy, yeah, Izzy loves them.
And these, I didn't plant them. Volunteer. They keep coming every year.
Well, that's the thing, right? We learn gardening is a lot of them, if you just kind of leave them alone,
Yep.
even if you forget them, as long as they're alive, the next season, they tend to come back, right?
Yeah.
Look at this.
You can do your weightlifting here.
This is why my wife needs a laborer. This thing is heavy, full of apples and squash. Even this one. We've run out of baskets. We haven't even plucked any figs yet.
Yep, we have more plucking to do.
Okay, Vung is gonna harvest some of our purple
See?
figs.
That's how you know they're soft. These are ready.
Yep, nice and purple.
Purple fig, mission
They
fig.
should pull right off,
Yep,
right?
they pull off.
That's definitely
And they're
ready.
sweet. Yummy.
Now,
Just have to wear long sleeve because the
the sap, those leaves,
sap you get allergy.
they're very itchy, right?
I feel very itchy if I don't wear long sleeve.
Long sleeve, long pants, even gloves potentially.
Probably, yeah. Sometimes I try to climb the tree.
We will probably need a taller ladder. We're gonna have to cut this tree a lot so we can access it. And apparently the fruit grows on new growth. Oh, I see one
Where?
right in there. See it? You zoom in.
Oh yeah, this one?
Yeah, I think that one's ready.
Yeah. Yeah, they come off easily. See, they have milky sap.
Yep.
That people get allergic reaction to it.
Wow, look at, this was about a half hour's worth of
Grocery
harvesting.
shopping. Yep.
I'll let my lovely wife explain and show you what everything is.
This is the squash, the tromboncini.
Tromboncini squash,
Yep.
very big.
Yep. And oh, it's heavy. I have to use two hands. And the grapes.
Our first, this is our first real harvest of these grapes.
Yeah. First time we harvested grapes. The green beans. Look at this. I have to
okay.
harvest this every few days.
Yeah, that's a
Same
lot.
thing with the long beans. The tomatoes also every few days. Fig, this is our first harvest, but we have a lot in the tree.
Yeah, there's a lot of green ones that are going to take a week.
Yeah, and I harvest these every few days also. I just freeze them in the freezer.
That's
so
the bitter
eggplant.
eggplant.
Very popular with Southeast Asian cuisine. This one I harvested not too often because I only have
eggplant?
3 plants. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a pepino melon.
which we already ate like 5 because
Yeah.
it's so good.
Yeah, but this is very
And
good
some-
haul, right? For
yeah.
half an hour of harvest. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Grow your own fruit and veggies. Only thing easier than growing your own fruit and veggies is liking and subscribing our videos.
Okay.